back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be introducing a business model to you in which you can participate in and make consistent daily profit for yourself. Okay? The internet space provides a lot of opportunities for people in this time, and you must also be conscious of it. You must also be aware of this. You must understand where the money is. One of the major way of making money, or one of the major style that I believe in making money, is make sure money is working for you rather than making money. Rather than working for money, I mean, make money work for you to the extent that while you sleep, you make money work for you. So you see a lot of people into YouTubing, content creation, app development, affiliate marketing, information marketing, and they just run ads and they put everything on autopilot and they continue making money. But this model I want to share with you has to do with VTO. You all know what is ongoing right now, how the telecom industry is making a lot of money daily, billions of naira. Banks are making from it also, and so on and so forth, just by selling data. A lot of people are not aware of this. Many people sell data, but they sell it individually. They sell it as an individual. I just come and you pay me, I buy data, then I resell it to you from a website. But what if you can be the website owner? What if you will be the owner of the website and people can come there and buy from your website? And while you are sleeping, people will be buying and you will keep on waking up to get money and see money in your account. That is very, very possible. Okay? So what you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the end, because I'll be explaining to you bit by bit and what you need to do to get started in making daily money. Okay? Now, VTU is just VTU business means virtual top up, which has to do with selling data, airtime, cable subscription, electricity bill, etc. Okay? And our own business model, my belief is you have a lot of resellers on your website. Resellers are those willing to purchase on your website so that they can also make money for themselves. So you have people that come to the website to go and sell. They resell it. They register as a reseller on your platform and they fund their wallet and they keep reselling to people. So while they are doing that, they are making their money, and as they are making their money, you are also making your money. So everybody are making their money. So you become the wholesale. There are 4 chains of distribution: the producer, the network providers are the producers, the wholesalers, the retailers, and the consumers. Consumers are those that need the service. The retailers are the resellers in this business model now, while you be the wholesalers. So meaning that you will be having it in a cheaper price, be having it cheaply, and then selling it to resellers, adding your price, then they add their own price and sell it to the final consumer. All right. So in case you need a website like this that can enable you earn money on autopilot, meaning while you sleep you just keep on receiving money, you can check the description of this video and make sure you contact the numbers you are seeing, 0708246931 on WhatsApp, or you can send a Telegram message at TrueWealth001. Check the description of this video to find the full details of this offer. Okay, so what are the things you'll be getting when we open this? When we create the website for you, we'll be helping you to convert your website to application. So you will not just be having the website, the URL, you'll be having an application that your customers can use. You will also be having an automated payments system in which people that wants to deposit on your platform, they automatically pay without coming to you. So once they register, they pay automatically, their wallet is funded, they just keep on transacting, so they don't need to. Then we also have a model, and that is where we come in to assist you to be successful in this business. And the model is for the website owners and for resellers. So you as the website owners will be giving you this model and be mentoring you and guiding you on how you can be successful on this business. So these are the things you can follow. These are the procedures you can follow. These are the things you can do. How many people do we have in Nigeria right now? How many people are in the local government? What can we leverage on? Step-by-step processes, broadcast and so on, step-by-step process on how you can get resellers. So our targets as the website owner are the resellers, not majorly the end users. Then we also have a template that you will be giving for everyone anyone that registers as a reseller on your platform. So when they register as a reseller on your platform, you will give them this business model that is for resellers, and they can follow it, and as they make money, you also make money. The idea is to make them successful, and then you will become a success by yourself. Okay, so also we'll be giving you 86 million GSM phone number, because this platform also have bulk SMS feature, meaning you can send bulk SMS to organizations, to churches, mosques, and so on and so forth, to help them promote whatever they want to promote. And then we have 86 million GSM phone number, and the phone number can be used to target local government and so on and so forth. We have local numbers of people residing in Nigeria, up to 86 million numbers, as their name, surname, local government, their gender, and so on and so forth. So organization needs it, politicians need it, they use it to do campaign. So you can also do a proposal and submit it to organization that you can help them to do advert to target this environment. Okay, so if you are interested in this business and you want to make sure you have a side hustle like this that is helping you to make money consistently, so imagine you have just, let's say, 50 resellers on your platform. 50 resellers is like you having 50 end users. 50 resellers is not that difficult to have. Yes, with our business model, it's not that difficult to have. So when you have 50 resellers on your platform, you can then, from there, as the resellers grow, automatically every day you'll be seeing money. You'll be making money every day. In case anything happens, you know that online is what everyone, the internet is what everyone is using. Everyone are into online business now. They are generating income online, and there is no one that in this time everything is just coming to the internet. So you can leverage on that and generate money by helping people to solve that problem of reaching the internet. Thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe to this video. In case you are interested, check the description on this video. Send me a WhatsApp message now, send me a Telegram message now, and I'll see you in the next video.